Hello, welcome to the C-Weave tutorial. Today we'll walk through how to create a basic base ball cap using a DXF file, from importing and arranging the pattern to sewing and adding final details. You can download the DXF file from the video description and follow along. Let's start by importing the DXF file into Z-Weave. Go to File, Import, DXF, and choose the baseball cap DXF file. Click OK to import it. Now, using the Surface Selection tool, arrange the cap pattern near the avatar in the 2D view. To simplify the pattern, we'll keep only one half and use the mirror function to create the other side. Select the center line using the Curve Vertex Selection tool. Right-click and choose Scissor to cut the pattern in half. Delete one side and combine the divided points by holding Shift, right-clicking and choosing Combine Force. To select a continuous curve, click the starting line. Then hold Shift plus Control and click the end line. This selects all curves of the same type in between. Press B to combine them. Let's start sewing. Choose the sewing tool from the 2D action toolbar and sew the front panels to the top cap piece. To place the pattern on the avatar, right-click the front pattern and select Locate in 3D Front. For side panels, use Quick Move. Click 2 points on the pattern, then 2 on the avatar. Unfold the front panel using Unfold Mirror. Use Mirror again for the side panels to place them symmetrically. Sew the side and back panels, then unfold the back center line with Unfold Mirror. Use the Gizmo tool to adjust the position. We will sew the front center line and simulate it. Before simulating, select the patterns you don't need and uncheck Join in Simulation to exclude them. To keep the hat firmly in shape, check the Harden and run the simulation with the spacebar. Let's attach the back strap. Use the measurement tool in the 2D view to check the curve length. To sew 1.5 centimeters, right-click the curve, divide curve, enter 1.5 centimeters to add points. To straighten the line, right-click the curve and check line. To smooth angles, right-click the corner point and select Smooth. Now position the strap in 3D view and sew it to the back panel. The strap pattern is placed using Locating 3D, Back, and sewn to the back panel. The straps are also secured with the Harden feature and simulated. Use the Hard function to reinforce the strap. Sew the left and right ends of the strap together. To clean up the seam look, go to the Sewing Properties panel and uncheck Normal Map. Use the Circle tool from the 2D toolbar to create a circle with a 1 centimeter radius. Then click OK. Move it using the Gizmo tool. Press R to rotate and W to move it into place. Use the multi-sewing tool to sew the button onto the cap panels. Adjust sewing direction as needed in 3D view. Increase mesh quality to make button details more visible. Now let's sew the side panels to the cap top. Use the multi-sewing tool to connect the mirrored panels. The opposite stitches are created automatically. Use the gizmo tool to fine-tune the cap shape in the 3D view. To hide a pattern, right-click it and uncheck Show in 3D View. To adjust the shape of the curve, adjust the Properties panel, transform parameter X-axis. Use the Hold function to fix the pattern in place. After simulation, use pinching to smooth out the shape. Disabling the Highlight Pattern option, right-click on the avatar, Highlight Pattern option, Show All, will allow you to see the fabric even when using Harden. To create a double layer cap, go to the Fabric Properties panel. Under Thickness, select Double and set the value to 3.5 centimeters. For the top button, select the pattern and change its thickness type to round. Let's add stitching details. Right-click a curve and choose Offset Inner Line. Set the distance, cap 0.5 centimeters. Front, side, back panels 0.2 centimeters. Strap 0.2 centimeters. For the strap, also set its thickness type to round. Once you're done, save your work to the draping board. Go to the Draping Board tab, click Add. Right-click the new item and choose Rename to save your design properly. Let's apply fabric to the cap. Click Help Asset Library from the top menu bar to access the Z Emotion Asset Library website. All assets are completely free, so feel free to explore and enhance your work with them. For this tutorial, I'll download a dotted graphic. Go to Fabric, New Material, then load your fabric. Select the pattern you want to apply it to, and double-click the downloaded fabric. It will instantly apply to the selected pattern. For the top button, I'll use one of the preset fabrics. You can right-click, duplicate a preset fabric, and then use the color picker to change its color freely. You can do the same for stitches. Select a stitch using the Stitch Selection tool, and in the Stitch Properties panel, use the color picker to easily customize the color. Once your design is complete, let's save it to the draping board. Go to the File, click Save As, enter a file name, and save your project. To customize the design, duplicate the fabric and change its color. Use the Artwork tool, click New Material, and import a transparent PNG logo. Drag, resize, and rotate the logo on the cap. To reset size, click the Reset icon. Lastly, let's add eyelets to the cap. You can easily create eyelets using the buttonhole tool. Simply place them where you want, then customize their color and size to match your design. With custom artwork and fabrics, you can create a wide variety of stylish and unique looks. Using the draping board, you can organize all your Save Cap designs in one place. Just double-click any item to reopen it instantly. It's perfect for storing different variations and continuing your work later. Thanks for watching. If there's anything you're curious about or want us to cover in a future tutorial, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.